one TFA300-L LiDAR, and a communication cable. The one end of the communication cable is connected to the LiDAR. The other end of the communication cable is connected to the TTL port. A TTL USB converter board should be purchased separately, and the cables must be connected by yourself. Here I choose the TTL USB converter board by Benewake. Please contact sales personnel if you need it, or send email to bw@benewake.com. If other TTL to USB converter board is used, you need to choose 5 volts power supply. We can see that it has 7 pins. Insert the pins into the pin connector in correct order. Now the pins are connected correctly. Now open the GUI software. Product selection TFA300. The port number can be viewed in the port section of Device Manager on the PC. Baud rate selection 115-00 and click the Connect button. In the right window, you can see the range of LiDAR in centimeter. Signal strength. Output frequency. Interface display.